Oh, there's infinity.
Alright. Stop one. Evan. Thank you. Alright, guys. So, to start out today, we are finding the area of a parallelogram. So we're going to start with a parallelogram that is 4 centimeters long. So 1, 2, 3. How did I do it? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to use my ruler to connect my points. It's kind of backwards from the last one, isn't it? Like flipped. Okay. So there's my parallelogram. I know that it's 4 centimeters long. I also know that it has a height of 3 centimeters. So, I know that a parallelogram is just a rectangle rearranged, right guys?
Yes.
Okay, so I know area is base times height, right? And base is the same as length, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to say 4 times, what is my height? What is my height? Raise your hand. Who knows the height? So 3. Because that's my dotted line right here. That's my height. And everybody with 4 times 3? 12. And I measure area in centimeters squared. Okay, so same thing as when we find a rectangle. So we've just got our base, which was 4, times our height, which was 3. Don't be confused, because sometimes they label this line. And sometimes we want to do 5 times 4. Will that get us the right answer? No. We can check by counting our squares, so count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
I think that, so here's 10. Oh, I think my line was off a little bit. But this would be a whole, and then we'd have 12, right? Okay.
Oh, but there's one more piece.
Oh, this one right here. I think I cut it off into fractions is what happened.
Wait.
Okay, but we would have 12. Don't be fooled when they label this slanted line with a 5. Don't do 4 times 5 and get 20. Make sure you're doing base times height. Okay, so let's do one together. Let's say just on the back of your grid paper, sketch a parallelogram, and we're going to say it's 5 centimeters long. And our slanted lines, let's make those 9 centimeters. And this has a height, here's my dotted line, our height is going to be 7 centimeters. Work with your neighbor. What's the area? Okay, raise your hand. What'd you get? I heard a couple answers right off the bat. What did you get? Let's see, Grant.
35.
35 monkeys, 35 elephants, meters,
5 centimeters.
centimeters, squared. Thank you. So, our base is like our length, so that's going to be 5 times our height. Our height is 7, right? 5 times 7 is 35. We measure in centimeters squared. Just for the fun of it, what is the perimeter? Remember, perimeter is the length around. What is the perimeter, Tatum?
Is it 28?
Yes, how did you get 28?
Well, I did 9 plus 9, which is 18, plus 5 plus 5, which would be 10, so 18 and 10, 28.
Very good. Okay. Alright, so we're going to try some on your own now. So take out your workbooks. I'll tell you what page.